Hello, friends. I'm Mr. English Teacher. If you want to improve your English, speak fluently, and finally stop translating in your head before speaking, then you're in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and turn on notifications. Because today I'm going to talk about a very important topic: how to think in English. One of the most common messages I get is this: Teacher, I want to speak English, but I always translate in my head. First, I think in my native language, then I try to translate it into English, and only then I speak. This slows me down and keeps me from being fluent. You're not alone in this. Actually, everyone goes through it, because our brains are used to working in our native language. But here's the secret to speaking English fluently: thinking in English. In this video, I will explain how to think in English in 7 steps. So, let's get started. First step, start small. No one expects you to think fully in English overnight. It's a habit that develops over time. So what can you do? Start your day with small sentences when you wake up. For example, I'm waking up, I'm going to the bathroom, I'm brushing my teeth. At first, it may feel strange, and you might think, these sentences are too simple, how will this help me? But the point isn't the difficulty of the words or sentences. What matters is using English actively during the day. Slowly, your brain will begin to accept English as a natural option. Second step, think in English about daily routines. What I mean is, connect even the simplest daily tasks with English. This builds on the first step, but applies to your whole day. For example, while cooking, I'm cutting the vegetables. The water is boiling. I'm making tea. Or when going out, I need to wear my shoes. I'm taking my keys. I'm ready to go. These may sound childish or too simple, but you're actually training your brain. Make a habit of saying and forming these sentences every day. You'll notice that even words you rarely use in your native language will eventually become part of your English. Third step, talk to yourself in English. Yes, this is something many of you delay or avoid, talking to yourself in English. We all talk to ourselves in our native language every day, right? Like, should I do this today? Will it rain? Don't forget to go shopping. Turn these into English, both in your head and out loud. For example, I should not forget to call my friend. I will finish my homework tonight. It looks like it's going to rain. Talking to yourself not only gives you practice, but also builds confidence. The brain codes every small success as an achievement, which motivates you to keep going. Remember the golden rule: you don't need another person to practice speaking, just speak. Fourth step, expose yourself to English. Don't forget, we're constantly exposed to our native language on the street, at home, on TV. But to add English to your life, you need to make a conscious effort. The good news is, it's easier than it seems. Here's what you can do: change your phone and apps into English. Listen to English songs while following the lyrics. Watch at least 10 minutes of English videos daily. If it's hard to understand, watch with English subtitles. Listen to English podcasts, just like you're doing now. By the way, if you subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications, I'll invite you to join me in listening activities in every new video. The more you hear English, the faster your brain adapts. That's how real language acquisition happens. And here's a little surprise for you. My brand new English learning ebook for beginners is now available. Inside, you'll find the most common words for daily life, memory techniques with visuals, and practical phrases. Even if you're starting from zero, it will help you make fast progress. Instead of just memorizing words, you'll learn how to use them in a memorable way. If you've been wondering, where should I start? This book is perfect for you. I'll leave the link in the description. Don't miss it. Fifth step, create a must-do space. When learning English, we often hold ourselves back with excuses like, I'll start tomorrow, I'll start Monday, I don't have time, I don't understand. This is just your brain resisting something new. To overcome this, set small must-do rules for yourself. Think at least 5 sentences in English every day. Connect 5 new words to English daily. Talk to yourself in English for 2 minutes before bed. This way, your brain will always stay in contact with English. Sixth step, celebrate small wins. Nobody starts perfectly. You don't need to form long sentences or know every grammar rule from the beginning. Start with a few simple thoughts like, drink water, go home, read book, reward yourself for using them. Say, well done, or treat yourself to your favorite dessert. As you progress, these short words will grow into sentences and then into full paragraphs. Soon, you'll realize you can have long conversations in English. Every small improvement is actually a big step. Celebrate it, because keeping your motivation alive is essential in this journey. Seventh step, be patient and repeat. Thinking in English doesn't happen overnight. The more patient you are, the faster you'll grow. Think about it. Does a baby start speaking right after being born? Of course not. It takes time. English works the same way. Give it time, stay consistent, and you will improve. So, friends, in conclusion, thinking in English doesn't happen in a single day. But small daily steps create big changes over time. The key word is consistency. Feed your brain with English every day. Talk to yourself, make simple sentences, expose yourself, and be patient. You'll see that in just a few months, you'll start speaking without translating. I hope this video was helpful. Start thinking in English today and take big steps with small habits. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, subscribe to the Mr. English Teacher YouTube channel, and follow me on Instagram. Also, don't forget to check out my book in the description, and I want everyone to write in the comments what they did today. I'll be reading them. See you in the next video. Take care.